Okay, guys, we are starting on the cornbread to go with our stew over here. So I've already started. I just use Jiffy cornbread mix. I've tried making it from scratch, and honestly, Jiffy tastes the same, if not better. So it's like the cheapest thing in the world, like 49 cents for a box of Jiffy. So anyway, we're doing 2 boxes, and then it's 1 egg per box, and then a third cup of milk per box. So I already put in 1 box of the cornbread mix. I already put in one of the eggs, so we're about to put in the other egg. Here is 2/3 cup of milk going in there, and then of course, with our eggs, also we do rinse these and set them aside for the compost. And I really wish I would have grabbed one of my wire whisks. This is not the funnest whisk to use. That's okay. My secret ingredient, do you notice I like to work secret ingredients into everything? Makes my boys think that I'm a better cook than I am. Maybe. I don't know. I'm just kidding. My ingredient that I like to add to cornbread mix that my kids have always enjoyed is I do add a 1/2 cup of sugar for 2 boxes. I'd probably only do a 1/4 cup of sugar if I was just using 1 box. It gives it just a slight sweetness that everybody really loves, especially with Grandpa's stew. So we're just going to cook this according to the package instructions, which is at 400. I've got the oven preheating, and it's for 15 minutes. So I've already greased the pan here. This little whisk is about worthless. I don't even know why I have this. Let me grab the real deal here. And then if you have too much mix for your pan, one thing that I've done a couple of times that was actually amazingly delicious was I took the leftover batter and made pancakes out of them, and they were amazing. So there's your little tip. Thank you all for joining me in the kitchen tonight. I hope you enjoyed this. I know it's not the healthiest meal ever, but it is very affordable. And in this day and age, we can all use a little bit of that. I hope you enjoyed tonight's quick tip. If you didn't catch the stew recipe, I will link that in the description below, and I will also put it right up here for you to click on. And tell me below about your family traditions or family recipes that have been handed down. I would love to hear about them. Thank you again for watching, and remember to go the second mile for somebody in your life and with your resources.